Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Thank you, Kang. And it's great to be back once again with the Sikh Day Festival. I've been coming to this for so many years now, walking down Midtown and then ending up at 23rd Street. I think so much has happened to the Sikh community in the last many years, and even this year, a couple of attacks against people who are peace-loving, law-abiding, but because of appearances, being attacked viciously, really for no reason. And it's just one of the reminders that hate and bigotry is not finished. Certainly not finished with the Sikh community, certainly not finished with the greater Asian American community we have here in New York. This COVID crisis hit the world, it hit us here in New York, but along with COVID came a great deal of bigotry, hate, and violence, and we have to stand together. I think what our young brother said is absolutely right. We've got elections coming up once again this year. We've got the Democratic primary on June 28th, barely 9.5 weeks away. We've got the general election coming up in November. This is a big election year for all the state offices, for the congressional offices, for the governor, and the statewide offices. And once again, the Sikh community has to make its presence known at festivals like this and parades down Midtown. But I submit to you, brothers and sisters, even more known at the ballot box, in the vote, because the vote is where the policy gets decided. The vote is where the resources get allocated. The vote is where we pursue and achieve true equality of treatment, and equality of opportunity. So I want to say thank you to the entire Sikh community for continuing to make New York great. We have these leaders here on stage and all throughout Madison Square Park. I wish to you all a wonderful Sikh Day. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Thank you.